Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a security notice Apple just shared. So Apple just asked anyone using their phones to update their phones to iOS 26.2 because they confirmed two critical security flaws in the WebKit, the browser engine that powers Safari for all iPhones and then also iOS browsers. So this is a bug which is actually going to allow attackers to be able to get your info when you visit any website using your Safari browser. So if you're using an iPhone, iPad, macOS, you need to update your device to iOS 26, iPadOS 26.2, and then macOS 26.2, which is actually going to take you away from these vulnerabilities. So which phones are actually going to be attacked? The phones that are going to be attacked are iPhone 11 upwards. So anyone having iPhone 11 to iPhone 17 is actually going to be vulnerable if they've not updated their phones to iOS 26.2. I know when iOS 26 actually came out, people were not willing to update their devices, so you need to just do that so that it's going to take you away from this cyber attacks that is not going to let fraudsters get hold of your cards and then your personal documents, which is probably very vital when you visit some website with your Safari browser. So do so to share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And in case you just want to know how you're going to do this, you just go to your settings and then you go to general and then you go to software update and then you check for update to see if you are on iOS 26.2. If you're not on iOS 26.2, you do so and you update it to iOS 26.2 and then you're probably going to get this version right here. So let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and also don't forget to like this video up and subscribe to the channel because I have a lot I'm going to be sharing with you. And without further ado, I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.